Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to disable joining by phone in Google Meet using xFanatical Safe Dock. Google Meet is an invaluable tool for virtual learning, providing a platform for real-time communication and collaboration. However, allowing participants to join via phone can lead to unauthorized access, distractions, and potential disruptions during class sessions. By disabling the option for joining by phone, educators can ensure that only authenticated users access the meeting, thereby safeguarding the integrity of the online learning experience. That's where xFanatical Safe Dock comes for the rescue. Safe Dock facilitates the restriction of phone join options in Google Meet, empowering schools and organizations to enforce their security policies effectively. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Dock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Meet Phone Info policy, you can disable the option of joining by phone in Google Meet easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.